Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So my 9-month lock-anniversary was, is it lock-anniversary or lock-versary? I don't know, whatever the word is. I've been locked for 9 months now, and I was actually gonna try to extend my retwist this time and try to wait until like May to get my hair done, but y'all, look at this. Oh Lord, it's doing a lot right now. So I'm about to retwist this because I don't think I can wait any longer, because my roots are just and my hair, it just really needs to be washed at this point. So I'm about to do that and retwist it. And also I feel like most YouTubers, they share their 9-month update, so I gotta do that. So I gotta retwist it. I don't really feel like it, but we gonna do it. And it's only my second time attempting to retwist. Yeah, it's my second time. It's only my second time doing a full head retwist. I was really happy with the way it turned out the last time I attempted it, and hopefully this time it goes even better. But we'll see, and I will share that with y'all in this video. So stay tuned. Okay, my hair is all washed and clean now. I hate washing my hair because I feel like I'm always getting shampoo or something under my eye. Never fails. And one question I got recently on Facebook, somebody was asking me like what shampoo I use. And I'm honestly afraid to admit this, but I've been using this shampoo right here. It's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo with silk protein and neem oil. Honestly, I don't even know what's in this. This is a shampoo that was already at my parents' house, so my sister probably bought it. And I just used it because it was there, so. I'm cheap, I'm sorry. So since the bottle is about gone, I actually nabbed it from my parents' house today. Since the bottle's almost gone, I'm gonna try to find something, I'm gonna try to find something that's suitable for my hair. Like, I honestly don't have any complaints about this shampoo though, but I'm gonna look into something else just to see if it works better. And I also make sure I use this one as well. I've been using this for a bit of time because I have really bad dandruff because of my dermatitis, and this has been really helping. So when I first started using it, I would put it on my hair maybe like twice a week. And now I just use it whenever I wash my hair. And sometimes in between like me washing my full head, I'll just kind of shampoo like my problem areas like in the front. And I mostly make sure I do it in the summer months because that's usually when it gets a little bit worse. So I try to keep it clean using this Nizoral anti-dandruff shampoo. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, it wasn't expensive or anything. I think it was less than $20, so I definitely recommend it. All right, so now let's get to the retwist. So I got my comb. I'm about to get my clips because they're in my closet. And I'm going to be retwisting with Jamaican, look at my hair. I'm gonna be retwisting with Jamaican black castor oil. I got this from Talia Wajid's website, but they also have it at the dollar store as well, and probably at your local beauty supply store, so it's not anything that's super expensive or super hard to find. And let me see. I might use Talia Wajid's Lock It Up again. I kind of used this a little bit the last time as well, but as I got like halfway through my hair, or probably even less than halfway, I just got kind of lazy with it and was just twisting. So we're gonna see if the same thing's gonna happen this time. I don't know, but I'm gonna have these on standby, both of these. So let me go get my clips and get this thing started. I also got this mirror too, just to make sure. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna try to make sure my parts are straight because I really don't care for my parts to be too straight. And also, I just know me, it's not gonna be something I'm gonna maintain because I'm lazy with my hair. So I got this just in case I need it. It's a little cheap mirror. I think I got this from Dollar General. And I wish I had a scrunchie so I can separate my hair, but you know, since I've been moving and whatnot, I might not even have one. So I might just be using this headband unless I find a scrunchie somewhere. Okay, I think I got one, but it might not work. But we're gonna make it do what it do today. Oh, I got one. All right, let's get started. All right, y'all, I think I'm done. Let me say, I think it took me less time to do it this time. I'll insert the exact amount of time it took me to retwist it this time. But y'all, when I got to this section of my head, the same thing happened that happened last time. I was trying to make sure I was twisting in the right direction, and then I thought about it and I was like, shoot, I probably did this whole side in the wrong direction. And I'm not really sure like how much it matters that you twist in the same direction each time. I've heard some YouTubers who have vlogs say that it's important to twist in the same direction each time, and it gets easier to realize if you're twisting in the right direction or the wrong direction the more you do it. And so since it's my second time really trying to do the whole thing, I feel like I'm just overthinking it. And I think I did actually twist it in the right direction, but for like maybe the last half of me doing this, I was stressing like, I done messed something up because I done twisted in the wrong direction. But I think it turned out right. But if not, it's a learning experience. And if I mess something up, it's just hair. It can be fixed. And if not, it's just hair. So I'm gonna let this dry. I don't know how long it's gonna take. And this time I'm not gonna use a dryer because I have some really thin locks around my edges. So I don't wanna make it worse. I was watching some other YouTube videos and they were saying that if you have clips in your hair and if you put heat on it, like from a dryer, that it could cause singeing and make your locks kind of break off. So I'm gonna try to air dry for a few hours and then probably take the clips out. And if it's too late, or if I'm getting tired, I'm gonna just use my hand dryer and make sure it's all the way dry before I go to bed. Hey y'all, I'm back. But I take these clips out now because I'm getting a little sleepy. And I think it's dry for the most part. The length of the locks still a little bit wet, but it's okay. And I guess I'll chit chat with y'all while I take them out. Or I might speed this part up, I don't know. But anyway, I can't believe we made it to 9 months. I'm trying to see which one I want to take out first. I'll check it back. I can't believe we made it to 9 months. Because when I started my vlog journey, I was just fed up with doing my hair all the time. Or rather not doing my hair all the time and feeling pressured to do something, but then not figuring out what I want to do with my hair. But with locks, things are so much more simple. I'm still learning a lot about my hair, and I think it's gonna stay that way. I'm gonna keep learning something new. And even with the whole retwisting thing, it's not perfect. I can already tell that because I feel like I didn't twist it tight enough. And last time I feel like I twisted some of them a little too tight. So I think the next time I do them, I'm gonna have a better idea of how tight I need to twist them. So this retwist might not last long at all, but it's okay. It's not meant to last forever anyway. And I'm probably gonna end up retwisting it again, maybe like 3-4 weeks from now, because we're actually having a graduation that's in person now. Surprise. So I'll be going to Boston soon, and I want my hair to be fresh for our graduation. I don't want to be all old and yeah, I don't want to be all old. Cause it's like a once in a lifetime thing, so I want to look good. Yeah, my roots are still a little wet, so I might have to use my hand dryer. Or no, I might stay up a little bit longer, so it'll probably air dry. But by the time I actually go to bed, if it's still wet, I'll just blow dry it. And I've been looking at pictures of when I first started my vlog journey. I do this quite often, to be honest, just to see progress and whatnot. And I was realizing like I really missed out on a good opportunity early on by wearing wigs all the time. Not saying that there's anything wrong with wearing wigs, because it definitely saved me on days where my hair was just crazy and there wasn't no solution for it. But looking back on it, my hair wasn't as ugly as I thought it was. Ugly. And I think a lot of people say this who have locks or who have been on their lock journey for a long time. Like, there's really no ugly phase. It's just really all a mindset. And I think if I would have internalized it a little bit more, I probably would have been more comfortable wearing my hair out. But I mean, it's too late for that now unless I start all over, but I ain't trying to do that. But I'm embracing each stage of my lock journey from here on out. And I honestly haven't worn a wig probably in like 2 months, I think. Cause I'm really loving the way my hair is looking now. It has its days, trust me, cause last week it had a lot of days. But I really do like it, and I like seeing the progress. And yeah, but I definitely wish I would have not worn wigs so much in the beginning. And as y'all can see, my ends are still very like frizzy because I didn't palm roll the length of my locks this time. Because as I mentioned earlier, some of these locks are real thin, and they say palm rolling too much over time, it can cause thinning. So I wasn't really just worried about it this time. And I also really like the frizzy look, so it's not really bothering me. But the next time I do my retwist, I'm probably gonna try to palm roll some of them, at least the ones that are a bit fluffier and more frizzy. Yeah, cause some of them are a little crazy looking, but it's okay. I still love my hair. And I also noticed, like when I was looking at the video, I noticed some white stuff in my hair. I think it came from my towel. Cause at first I was thinking maybe it's dandruff, but I don't think that was dandruff. Ooh, okay. All right, this is not bad. This is improvement from the last time, but it ain't bad. Okay. And y'all, I wish I could feel my hair because it's so soft right now. It's so soft. But I like it. Okay. It's not the tightest retwist. I think I already mentioned that, but it's fine for me. Look. Yeah, this one of my crazy locks. It's really unruly, but it's okay. Oh, yes. I like it. I think it turned out good, y'all. What y'all think? All right, let's do a 360 view. Okay, front, this side, back. Oh, it's so soft. This side, front again. Oh, y'all, I'm happy. So happy with the way it's turned out. But I'm really just amazed with like how soft my hair feels right now. I don't know if it's because it's still slightly wet or what, but it's like so soft. Okay. I'm gonna put a little edge control on. It's really not gonna do much for me anyway, because edge control, yeah, it don't really last for me, no matter what I use. And that was before I even got locks. And I'm gonna be using this one from It Was Jid. It is the Bamboo and Biotin Edge Pro. It's really the only edge control I use at this point, but I don't really use edge control that much. Because I really like my edges to look a little wild. Because it's just how my hair naturally is, so it's okay. And they say when you use edge control, try to brush away from your locks so you don't cause buildup, but I don't put it on that much. So I'ma just do what I want to do. Yeah. But I like this one because it's not like thick or anything. It has a light smell to it, like nothing unscented. I mean, nothing scented. Can't get my words out. But I like it. It seems like it has good health benefits for your hair, so I don't think it's a bad thing that I'm putting this on. But like I said, I really don't use edge control like that. Never really just been into edge control like that because most times I feel like it don't even work for my hair anyway, so I'm just not into it. Yeah, I'm looking at some of these stand locks on the edges. I don't know if y'all can see them. Like this one. And this one right here that's real thin. Okay, it looks a little better than what it did the last time I did my retwist. Oh, is that the one? Yeah, because the last time I did my retwist, it literally looked like it was about to fall off. So if you have locks and you've dealt with thinning locks, how do you deal with them? Comment down below if you have any experience with this. Because I'm just thinking ahead, like, if it stays thin forever, should I combine it with another lock? And one of my fears about combining with another lock is I don't like part of like all these lock groups on Facebook. And some people, they say when they combine locks, it causes you know how some people have like one lock but it splits at the end. I hate the way that it looks. Y'all, I don't know, it's just something creepy about that to me. That's one of my biggest fears, so I don't know what I need to do. But yeah, let me know, y'all, if I have some experience with this. And yeah, if I don't already know, by the time of this video, I've been locked for 9 months. I think I have 78 locks. Well, at least that's how many I had at the time I counted last a few months ago. And y'all, I cannot wait till I get even better at these retwists. Wait till I post a video another year from now. My retwist gonna be fire, and my locks, they're gonna be even more fire. I know they is. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the glow up. Okay. I think this unlocked. Ooh, that block was real wet. Did y'all see how much water came out my hair? Y'all probably didn't. It like splashed. But y'all, this is my hair. Some of them still gonna stick out the way they wanna stick out. But I'm happy. And if y'all have any questions about my lock journey, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer. I love sharing these lock videos, and it's also just really cool for me to look back on and see how much my hair has progressed. And I just look forward to sharing so much more of that with y'all. And I look forward to learning more about my hair and getting better at doing my hair. Cause y'all, I'm not good at doing hair. I've always been terrible at doing hair, but this is making me feel confident in my abilities to do my hair. So I'm proud. And anyway, if you like this video and these types of videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all back right here next Saturday when I post my next video. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.